everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Alexandra. I create beauty and lifestyle videos and I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. And if you have not seen my latest videos, I will have them up on the card below where you can easily click and access them, as well as down below with their link. If you want to see how I recreated this look, this is usually my go-to look recently for the summer because I want to have a nice glowy and yet fresh makeup look every day. I really love the lip combo. I've gotten so many requests on what it is that I wear. I was actually wearing this look on my Pink Dreams haul, and if you guys have not checked out Pink Dreams, don't forget to as well. But yeah, I was wearing this one along with the gloss, and I have to say it was the NYX gloss. I'm not too sure. I'll leave it down below if that was the one that I was wearing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this makeup look. Again, don't forget you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, anywhere on social media. Don't be shy. And again, don't forget to subscribe. Leave any comments down below. I will be having some giveaways really soon. And again, thank you so much for watching, and let's get on to the video. makeup look. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be giving away some goodies really soon. And I hope you all are following me on Instagram because it might be in there. Or it might be on here with a video. But again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to watch any of my latest videos if you have missed them. And again, I really love this makeup look, to be honest. I really like the eyeshadow, the lip combo, phenomenal. But yeah, this has been my makeup look for the summer and I am obsessed. So again, thank you so much for watching. Again, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys soon.